Dun dun dun.
Fuck sending shots. They not on my level. When I walk, I be right like the devil. Credit card, a big card, I got several. I spend a lot.
I'm in the same clothes as the video I'm about to post just now. I mean, not just now. I'm in the same clothes as the video I just recorded just now, which was a Q&A. So it's the same day. So that's why I'm in the same clothes. But me and Nicole are gonna do a video today on cooking with us. So basically I'm gonna go get her right now, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store. So I'm bringing you guys with me, and yeah, we're gonna cook. And just to let you know, I don't ever cook, so that's why it's gonna be interesting. We're gonna go shopping. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe to moi, and comment down below anything else you guys would like to see from me. And I will see you in a little bit. So, look who's here! Anyways,
Jasmine is like my mother, and she doesn't support my tattoos.
yeah, I don't support that nasty ass shit. What's it called? But I like the snowflakes on the arms. You know, that's cute. But we are cheating, and we are at Neiman Marcus instead of Publix.
You want a pair of these?
I like the flat ones. We are at Neiman Marcus instead of Publix.
We're at Neiman Marcus acting Neiman. Oh, Jazz. These will look so cute on me with some jeans that go like that.
See, these I like.
I'd be like that.
Look, there's two types of people. There's Nicole, and then there's me. You feel me?
Oh my god, you wouldn't even wear those kind of shoes. Fuck
Crazy
me.
as fuck. You sick.
Jasmine, you know how you walk in those? Look. If everything in Forever 21 is $1 right now, then I'm buying the whole store. Bitch, I don't even got $1 to my name. To wear? And candy. Skin laundry, what the fuck, bro? What is this shit?
I need food.
If only we weren't in Boca.
I need food.
This lighting is on point. Wait, what's the dog's name? Say that again? P? How do you spell it?
P-E-T-E.
Why would they name you that?
I named him after a friend of mine.
Oh, P-E-T-E.
P-E-T-E, yeah.
Oh, so with a T. I thought you named him P, like...
Nah.
Like he was a little P. Oh. You're
Everybody thinks that.
Because you forget to say the T at the end.
T.
This bitch. So which phone are you paying with?
Apple Pay, this one.
And we are now entering the Publix premises. Ew, smells like Publix. But yeah. So today we are... Jasmine, let's not do all that. So today we are making...
Today we are making jerk chicken pasta.
You heard? Taki. But yeah, we're gonna make some jerk. We are. I don't know, maybe like 600. Yes, it's really good, and it's like small and convenient.
That's what y'all doing?
Yeah, we're vlogging right now for YouTube. Yes, but this is a really good camera, I would say, because it's Canon, because it's small and it's like new, and the quality is really good.
You took a picture. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I just met me a friend here. We talking.
Thank you, no problem.
Get close up on her. She can see 60. You make me messed up in picture.
And then normally, like, it's down like this.
Okay.
So, like, you could flip it and see yourself recording.
One last. I don't know what happened to it. Well, you can't let everybody in your house.
Bye! Oh my god, like... Fuck. Jasmine. This lady wanted to know all about the camera. She was just trying to get in our vlog. She was trying to be our bestie. That's what it was.
So first things first, we need
Jasmine.
No, we're not doing penne alla vodka. We're doing jerk honey.
No. Actually, you know, I learned how to make penne alla vodka.
Yeah, it's easy. What's that called? We need.
Never even made penne alla vodka.
Should we get fettuccine or angel hair? I think this. We're gonna get the bow ties. Now we need the sauce, which is this. Right, it's her. Here.
Jasmine, I feel like harassed. This girl's trying to tell me she's trying to kiss me. Like, she probably can't even say it in person. She's just gonna text me while she's sitting next to me and be like, I want to kiss you.
Alright, let's go. So, I think you should hold this in my question.
It gives you a reason to perk up your butt.
You're stupid.
So, Jasmine.
Alright, next thing is...
Jasmine, look. Look. Alright, so next, wait. So we got the pasta, do you want some cocoa bars? I think you'd like those. No? Okay.
Some, like, peppers and... I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, you're right. Wait, why don't you look up? We need some jerk sauce right there.
And there you go.
Okay then, okay.
How do you see jerk sauce? Look at you, being drunk. Right here.
Oh, I like this packaging. This is cute. Alright.
So,
Wait, have we even told them what we're making yet?
yeah, we're making jerk chicken pasta. So we need this.
That was like a terrible,
We've been told them.
terrible introduction to like our
Alright.
ingredients.
Come on, they're tough.
Okay. So, anyways, today we're making. Just one more time. Today we're making jerk chicken pasta.
We need shrimp.
We already got the pasta. We got the sauces. Ooh. Oh, be careful. So yeah, so we already got the. You almost ran into him, Jazz. Jasmine, you laughed right in front of his owner. I cannot be near you. I cannot be. Oh, I cannot be next to her, bro. Did I get that on camera? Jasmine, you can't be doing that. Do you know how your kid's gonna come out? White cooking wine. Look. So we have. Anyways, back to what we have. We have pasta, oil, adobe, parmesan, jerk sauce. Apparently we need parmesan sauce. I don't know where she got that from. And then white cooking wine. And then yeah. Jasmine, I think I got all that on video.
Oh, we need.
Unless it was facing me.
I'm having a heart attack.
Vinegar. The fuck do we need vinegar? To clean the chicken? Since when do you clean chicken? That's really smart.
How do you not clean chicken, Nicole? Come on.
No, we can't go back out there. Let's go the other way.
But it just happened so hard.
She's seen a special. No, we can't even put that on YouTube.
I know.
Are they gonna ID us for that? If so, I have my ID. Right here.
Where?
What kind of shrimp you want? Medium, small, tiny ones?
The animal is sticking out. Bro, this is not. Look, that has the antennas. I don't want that.
Right here. They're not sticking out right here. Oh, but these are already cooked.
Yeah, no, we don't want that.
Ooh. Raw and easy right here. And they're organic. That's what we need. Easy to peel, yeah.
We need the small ones.
And those are small. Us shopping, you see, this is why Stan does it all for us. You don't know our butler's name? You don't know our assistant's name? See, this is why our assistant comes and does all the shopping for us. Stan the man. Stan always knows the plan. Stan always has a plan for this. Breasts, we're gonna slice them up. We gonna slice up these breasts. And now shrimp. Shrimp! Bitches cannot go shopping, bro. Since when do you know this fucking recipe by heart? Jasmine, don't do that again, because he's right there. Okay? Seriously. Oh yeah, so after we make some pasta, we are going to the game. I got invited to a date today, on a date. I'm sorry, like, about the terrible vlogging, but actually, it probably is not that bad. Okay, so again, now we got, hold on. Now we got some shrimp, some motherfucking chicken, all organic, bitch, okay? Some peppers, some fucking bow ties, some fucking adobe sauce. Okay, yeah, you're right, because you're gonna have to bleep me out every time. 1, 2, 3. Tell me where you see this. The pump the gas for you.
There's a jersey, huh?
Hello.
Hi, 15.
15?
93,
Right.
thank
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. It's good. So that's how it works.
VIP
Yeah.
service.
It's more for the, you know, yeah, it's for us too. Yeah.
But yeah, today we are.
My lashes, thank you.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Guys, like my
You
lashes.
want the receipt?
No, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Tires okay?
Yes, thank
Tires
you.
holding up good now?
All good.
Okay.
Thank you.
All
Have a
right,
beautiful
have a good
night.
You
Bye.
too.
Bye.
I love to see Jasmine be nice to pedestrians. When that thank you voice comes out, it makes me melt. I'm fucking dead. Talk to me, baby.
So this is what we got. You know, organic chicken, you know the vibes. Organic shrimp, you know the vibes.
Organic pepper.
Organic peppers. Organic shrimps. Organic half and half.
Organic. Organic.
I will take it out.
Okay.
I hate when you guys watch me.
I know, I'm going back to my pet.
You're like so like intrigued.
I'm going back to my
Anyways, first things first is we need to.
You're her daughter and I could pass for her sister.
I know. I have shrimp and I have chicken.
That's a lot of shrimp.
It is a lot of shrimp. All right, mommy, what do I put it in?
Okay, so we need a bowl to clean, yeah.
Where's the bowl?
You gotta look around.
This is Jasmine's first time using the kitchen.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna use this.
Okay. Yeah, we could start.
We are cleaning the chicken. So in order to, mind you guys, I don't cook, okay? But I'm trying to start the new year off by, okay, I'm trying to start the new guys.
So
today we are
making jerk chicken pasta. This recipe that Jasmine apparently knows by heart.
don't forget, I'm half Jamaican. I have
Pasta in your soul.
in my blood. So first things first is we're going to start off.
No, I don't know. I think it may or may. Okay. You want to do that process again?
No.
This is how you make fried chicken, Jasmine. You use that much oil. It's gonna be overly greasy chicken. You might as well turn it into fried chicken.
So we just seasoned the shrimp, and now we are cooking this.
And apparently we have to use this much oil.
Are you hating on my oil?
I mean, like, I'm not trying to die from like that, like fucking crazy ass cancer. Like, you know, this oil is like worse than cigarettes. Did you know?
Says the cigarette smoker.
Where's my thing?
Interesting.
But we want to drizzle more in at the top. Start opening that up. I feel like I'm on like a cooking show right now.
This is enough.
Enough? Let me see. This is enough. Hold on, we have to see if it's to our liking. Wait, the sauce.
Dun dun dun. So I'm very proud.
Not bad, Jonathan.
Shit. Alright, this looks so good. Look what we did it. And we are finished.
Which one's mine?
McCoy, I think we did it. I don't know yet. You might as well take it first. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. That is it for today. We are on our way to a Panthers game, so be on the lookout for after I record this. After we clean up, we're gonna go. Why is it blurry? Let me know what else you guys would like to see us cook. And yeah.
50 floors up, penthouse suite, different levels. Got a presidential pay, 20 for the bezel. Rock the Herman with the sauce, you ain't on my level. My chains causing flood, pussy wet, I'm changing weather. Pull on the block with the dice, baby, I'm living this life.